Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an LED frame. First, gather your materials, including a frame, LED strips, a power supply, and basic tools. Consider the frame's dimensions and the desired LED density. A typical frame might be 20 by 30 centimeters, requiring about 2 meters of LED strip. Planning ensures a smooth and successful build. Next, prepare your chosen frame. If it's wood, you might sand and paint it. Measure the perimeter of your frame carefully. For example, a 40 by 60 centimeter frame needs 2 meters of LED strip. Cut the LED strips to size, ensuring you cut only at designated points. Then, peel the adhesive backing and firmly press the strips onto the frame. Now, let's handle the wiring. Connect the positive and negative terminals of your LED strips to the corresponding terminals on your power supply. Most LED strips operate on 12 volts DC. You might add an inline switch or a dimmer for convenient control over the brightness. Ensure all connections are secure and insulated for safety, then neatly tuck away any excess wiring. Finally, assemble and test your LED frame. If desired, add a diffuser panel over the LEDs to create a softer, more uniform glow. Insert your chosen artwork or photo into the frame. Plug in the power supply and switch on your new LED frame. Check that all LEDs illuminate correctly and make any minor adjustments needed. Enjoy your custom-made, illuminated display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.